Welcome to Oshkosh's EAA. Please subscribe and enjoy our videos.
Hey everybody, my name is Rob Wilkes. I'm a co-founder of PlaneLogix. We are a company founded in 2014 after a need arose for digitizing aircraft maintenance records. I was a former SR-20 owner and I had an incident where my logbooks went missing after an annual. So after the logbooks went missing and after they turned up 3 weeks later, I decided to go ahead and digitize my records. I scanned them all in, I organized them, and I transcribed all of the maintenance records. After doing that, I realized that there might be a need in general aviation for this service, so I started a company, and Will joined me a couple of months later, and we've been doing this again since 2014. Our product at the core is to take your maintenance records, scan everything, organize it, give it a home, and then also transcribe your maintenance records. So after we've digitized your maintenance records, we bring everything online so you can access it quickly and easily in our web portal. This is what your digitized data will look like. This is a compression test result over a 5-year period. And down here we have all of your maintenance records. The beauty of digitizing your maintenance records allows you to quickly pull up anything you're looking for, as well as pull up the underlying maintenance record documentation. While we're digitizing your records, we also extract all of the inspections that we come across while we're transcribing. This allows you to quickly generate a series of reports. ADs, FARs, service bulletins, and other inspections are very quickly and easily found. Your parts and components are also filterable by part type. So for example, if you're looking for something like an actuator, you can type in the word actuator and find all of the instances where that actuator was replaced or installed, the underlying maintenance record, and you have the opportunity to track this and receive alerts. And you can set those alerts for any calendar or interval period that you so choose. On top of the digital portal, we also offer a hard copy binder version of all of this digitized data that Will's going to go over right now.
So in addition to a digital version, you also have paper going forward if you choose. We create this binder for you. It's customized, it's fully functional, and it has custom tabular organization for the type of airplane that you have. In this case, you see a single-engine turboprop. You have all of our transcribe records with every page plastic reinforced. You have templates, so mechanics can make new entries right in this binder. And then you even have the original documentation so the mechanics can view all the old docs with the signatures and see the proof that things were done. Towards the back, you have our custom recording. You have compression tests, lists of all your inspections, lists of all your parts, and then all of your important original documents like your AD compliance records, your FAA 337s and STCs, your 8130s and yellow tags, weight and balance, and more. So instead of going to the maintenance shop with your original records, you leave those at home, lock them away, never take them out again until you sell the plane. Just show up with this binder. That's all they need. To learn more about us, please go to our website, PlaneLogix.com, and you can find our contact information, including phone number and email. We look forward to hearing from you.